Excuse me? Yeah. I want to eat one of yours.
Don't tell them that.
We're a bit hungry.
No.
What did you say?
Oh, don't.
That's the one I want to eat. Come here. Right guys, here we are on another one. I'm going to get straight into this because I'm really excited, I've never seen this before. It's a place in Dover. It's a historical place. There's a sign here as well. Here, I'll show you guys where it is. I'll let you pause that and read it. There's just remains of like how it was. A train track would have come along here from Dover, come in here to drop ammunition off, because there would have been a lot of gun emplacements all around here. Mine penny going on, but yeah, we're all getting excited. We're glad to be here. They're all locked up other than this one by the looks of it. So I was going to show and have that now. I'm going to put my spirit box on in a minute. Jump straight into things. Don't know what that is in there, but it's all
rubbish. Yeah.
Don't know if it was asbestos or what, but I don't think it is.
No.
But yeah, there's more of it that goes further on. So we are going to keep looking in a moment. But I'm going to do a quick spirit box session, guys, and see what we get on the spirit box, and then we're going to move on. So stay tuned. Is there any spirits here from the war? Anyone here from the wartime? Come through, come speak. Hello? Is that hello?
I don't know, I didn't hear it.
Come through, come speak. Hello? Is that hello?
I don't know, I didn't hear it.
Did you say hello? Can you come through? What was this place? Come through and tell me. What was this place, please? Can you come through and speak to us? The only problem up here, because we're close to France, you're getting the French stations.
Yeah.
Come through, please. There's a spirit here in this place. Can you come through and speak to us? Tell us what this was and what your life was like here. Let's try this other one. Okay, does this help, spirits? If you're here with us, can you come through and speak? Tell us about yourself. Give us your name, say hi, hello, anything. Any soldiers here? Any people? Many used to work here. Was this a gun emplacement? Ammunition storage place. Well guys, we're not getting nothing on the spirit box. It's very difficult with all the radio stations.
That thing up, we'd be able to see where we're going.
Yeah, so I'm going to put my maps back on, as Penny just said, and we're going to head off to the other place.
There's a lot more to it.
So do stay tuned, guys. I'm sure we should get something to this place. Historical places always hold some kind of paranormal phenomena. So let's hope we get something, guys, for you. Stay tuned. Well guys, we've made camp. Penny's there, nice and comfortable. REM pod next to her with a little flashing ball which she can keep her eye on. And I've got my REM pod there, the other one. Got nothing on the spirit box. I might got told to go away one stage, but I wasn't recording. So yeah, we're going to do some calling out. I don't know if we're going to get anything here, but you never know. Penny said you used to be able to get into these buildings, and as you can see, they're all sealed up. And as you can see, they're all sealed up. So that won't be happening.
That building down the bottom, I think you can still get in.
Yeah.
The one down by the farm.
Well, we can go and have a look if you want when we finished.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can see what we get here. Alan's gone round the corner there. I'm just going to go and see where he is, and I'm going to call out, guys, and see if we get any paranormal activity.
He's filming.
Yeah, he's filming as well.
Yeah.
Here he comes. You right, Alan?
Yeah, fine.
He's enjoying himself.
You enjoying yourself?
I am. Magnificent place.
It is, isn't it?
Really excellent.
So tell us your thoughts on what you know what this place is.
Well, I think it's an old World War II storage depot. You've got the two lots of railway lines going in for unloading and loading. There seemed to be a fuel depot or storage bunker over to the left. Most of these would be ammunition, hidden by grass banks and trees and that. Planes wouldn't spot this from the ground, from the air. You've got my horrible brummy voice on that now.
That's alright.
That was me.
Yeah, that was just Penny passing it. So once we get comfortable, guys, I'll do some calling out. Let's see what we get.
I've got the JVC one as well.
So when we're all still and all ready,
Oh, hang on a minute.
let's see what sounds and noises we get, Pen, isn't it? Pen's looking forward to it.
You can.
Thank you. Thank you.
You get it into the orange.
Can you get it into the orange? Can you touch it again and get it into the orange? If that's a spirit touching that. That was weird as heck. I said, can you make it scream,
Yeah, it was
didn't I?
answering.
Can you make that scream again?
Because we were ignoring them.
We were just sitting here eating some food.
He's probably used all his energy.
Weren't recording or nothing, and then the
It
REM
probably
pod
thinks
just
we're
went
here
off.
camping,
Yeah.
like we're in the army.
Do you mind us being here?
That's not a bad idea. You can all dress up in army kit. Old World War II army kit.
I've still got my number 2s.
Are you still here with us?
Hand me
You've done
bloody
national
boots.
service then, haven't you?
No.
No?
Can you make that go off, please?
Royal Army Medical Corps attached to 3rd Para.
Oh, she was actually in proper. How long was
That was
she?
weird.
14 years.
I'm gonna carry on eating. It goes off by
1970 to
recording.
84.
Me half hole. I mean, just the outside.
your bum.
My bum, yeah. Sorry.
I've got all that on camera as well.
Yeah, I was just saying. I was sitting on a rough bit of wood all day painting.
Right, are we all good, yeah? Right, REM pod's there. Right. Calling out to the spirits of this place, this land. Can you please come forward? Tell us about yourself. Let us know you're here by making a sound. Please come forward and make yourself known. If you can hear my voice, please come towards me. Make yourself known. Do thank you. It's your chair pen, isn't it?
Yeah, it might have been my chair.
Yeah, yeah.
The K2 went off.
K2's going, is it?
Yeah. Can you take that up to number red? It did it.
Did it? It got to
Took
red?
it up.
Well, it took to the
Took
orange.
it up to the other
orange.
green.
Can you make it go up to red? Orange.
Thank you.
Thank you. Wow.
Are you a bloke? Are you a man? I mean, take it up to the red if you're a man. Wow, thank you.
Was you a servant here of the war?
Where are you, soldier?
Oh yes. Yeah, that. Thank you. Has that only just started doing this, Alan?
Yeah.
Can you make it go all the way to the red? All the way to the red.
Did it
Whoa, thank you very much.
on command?
Thank you so much. Can I just ask, was it you that was touching that device earlier with the red light on the floor? Thank you. Can you do it again? Can you go and touch it again? If you could, please. Whoa. I've not had this EMF meter go off like this
Were you killed
in a
here?
long time. Yes.
As a serving soldier?
Did many die here? Thank you.
What was that? What was that? What was that?
We still remember all you guys from World War II.
Thank you so much for your service. Was there bombs that landed here? Was you killed by a bomb? Whoa. Which would make sense.
I ain't touching fuck all.
No, it can't be phones. It would be,
I haven't got
it'd still
my
be.
phone.
Just
Man,
in case anyone of the other group watch that and turn around and say, oh, it's Richard.
can you please, to confirm this is you, please try it and make that red device go off down there on the floor, or touch that flashing ball, so we know this is a spirit in control of this, that you're in front of using this equipment. Please touch this here, or this ball. Can you do that?
Glory, look at that going up in the red all the time.
I don't know if that's the phones or something. This is just.
Mine's off completely.
But then it shouldn't
I'm
keep
gonna
coming
turn
in.
mine off completely, but I've got mine on flight mode.
Can you hold it out to red? Really hold it. Keep it there for ages, for as long as you possibly can. Hold it to red. For as long as you can.
Right, I'm turning mine off completely now.
Yeah, I'm turning mine off just to make sure. Right, I'm just going to turn my phone off, guys.
Alan, have you got your phone
Mine's
on?
off.
Or you got it off, babe?
Wow,
Completely
wow, look,
off.
that's going right to the red. I can't be phones doing that. I know mine's just there.
There's no
what I'm
electricity
saying.
here.
Can't be the radar station over there, can it?
Yeah, you got yours.
No, it wouldn't be that. No,
Right, off.
I can't see it.
There we go, it's going off.
I'll tell you what, I'll put my K2 on as well and see if it affects mine.
It's still doing it. That's just unbelievable why that's... Whoa!
Still going.
Man, that shouldn't be
Right,
going
that's
that
quite
way.
impressive because you've
I'll
turned
be
your
honest,
top hands off.
that
Mine's
even
off.
if that was a
Mine's
phone,
off.
that shouldn't be going that high.
I've seen phones doing that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I have.
Well,
yeah,
I don't
but
know.
I'm telling you now, right?
Look.
It's not a phone. No one's got the phone on.
Has anyone else got any other kind of media to
Right,
watch?
just, can you make a sound? Can you make a sound? Can you make a sound? Is there something else you can do?
Can you touch me on the arm? Manipulate the heat around my hand or something.
Can you make it go off again if you're still here?
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
Still going.
Make it go up to the red,
Please.
please.
Sorry.
Can you not put an EVP on, see if we can get in voices?
Good point.
Yeah, that's a good point. Well guys, we're heading back to the car now. Not a bad investigation, quite good. We had some stuff on the REM pod and the EMF meters. Not a bad little place. We'll have to come back here again sometime.
Is that the gate there?
No, it's a bit more further on. So until next time guys, stay spooky and see you in the next one.